Court of Appeal Abuja has reversed the judgment by a federal high court in Kano, voiding the composition of the Kano State's Independent Electoral Commission and the local government election the commission conducted on October 26, 2024. Speaking to Rootstv after the Court of Appeal judgment, the lead counsel to the Kano State House of Assembly, Abdul Karim Maldi, praised the ruling, describing the previous High Court judgment as unconstitutional and lacking legal basis.
Well, actually, the court delivered its judgment, the Court of Appeal, setting aside the judgment of the lower court, that is the Federal High Court Kano, that concerns or that bothers on the composition of the Kano State Independent Electoral Commission. The court declared that the Federal High Court lacks jurisdiction to entertain the matter, and that the judgment of the lower courts was not in conformity with Section 251 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. And therefore, all other orders made by the learned trial judge has been nullified and has been quashed. The appeal is allowed. No order as to cause was made, actually. That is the judgment today.
Maldi further stated by the Court of Appeal's decision, all elected officials whose positions were previously challenged under the High Court ruling have now been acquitted.
The implication is that, in the judgment of the lower court, he has nullified the composition of the Kano Independent Electoral Commission. And even the election that was conducted sometimes in October 2014 of the entire 44 local government and 484 wards that made Kano State. So now that judgment has been quashed. It is no longer in existence. It is no longer the law. The position remains the same, that the election was conducted fully in accordance with the law, and that the 44 local governments and the councillors were duly elected in accordance with the positions of the law.
While acknowledging the Court of Appeal's decision, the APC-led legal team announced their intention to challenge the judgment at the Supreme Court after a thorough review of the ruling.